Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to change your NTU password. Remember, NTU has a 90-day password policy, so it's important to keep your password strong and updated. Let's get started. Click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your username. Click on Submit. And choose from one of the three options. Follow the instructions. And now you can create your new password. Okay, when you're creating your password, make sure your password is more than 10 characters long. Must include capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol. Once you've entered them correctly, click on Submit. And that's it. You've successfully changed your NTU password. Remember, NTU does have a 90-day password policy, so be sure to update your password regularly.